is Amina Nurdin.
My name is Mohsaifa Tamis.
We are pupils at Holland Pre and Primary School, located at Makongolos Junior. We are in grade 4. Today, we are going to present a poem about our school. Every morning, the school bell rings to open a world of wonderful things. Step inside and find our seat with happy smiles and stomping A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. There is so much for you and me. We read about space, the moon, and stars. We learn about oceans and universe. My teacher helps me learn to grow, to stretch my mind and what I know. So I stand up proud and say with cheer, I love my school and I am glad I am here at Holland Pre and Primary School.